Today we are going to show you how to use the various gestures available on your iPhone, including swiping, pinching, and tapping. Step 1. Swipe gesture. One of the most common gestures on the iPhone is swiping. You can swipe left or right to switch between apps or display on your iPhone. You can also swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the control center, or you can swipe down from the top left of your screen to access the notification center. Step 2. Pinch gestures. Pinching is another useful gesture on the iPhone. You can pinch to zoom in or zoom out on a photo or on your camera or also on your web page. For example, I open the camera apps, then you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching it. For example, I'm going to open the photo and select the photo that you want to zoom in or zoom out, and you can pinch it to zoom in or zoom out. Or you can also close an app by pinching it to close on the home screen. Step 3. Tap gesture. Tapping is perhaps the most basic gesture on the iPhone, but it's also one of the most important. You can tap to select an app or item. For example, I'm going to select a photo. I tap on it, and I can select the photo by tap on the photo that I want to see, and I'm tap it again. You can also double tap to zoom in or zoom out the photo or web page. So I double tap on the photo to zoom in, and then I double tap again on this photo to zoom out. Step 4. Other gestures. There are many other gestures available on the iPhone, such as 3D touch, which allow you to press down on the screen to access additional options. For example, I'm going to select Instagram. I just tap and hold on the Instagram icon. After you tap and hold, it will appear another option here. For example, there are like camera, new post, view notification, share app, switch account. For example, when I'm select on camera, it will automatically activate the Instagram camera. I will try again on the other application. For example, I open the YouTube. I just tap and hold, and then I'm going to select short. Then it will automatically go to the short video on your YouTube. You can also use gesture like shaking your phone to undo a mistake. For example, I'm going to open the note, and then I will create a new note. I'm going to type good morning, and then I want to undo it just by shaking my phone. I will shake my phone, and then there is an alert here, undo typing. If I want to undo, I just tap on undo. Or you can also using Siri to control your phone with your voice. And that's it. With these steps, you can start using the various gestures available on your iPhone to navigate and interact with your device. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video like this. Thanks for watching, and see you again on the next video. Bye!